Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Conversations. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Virat. Thank you for joining us today. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Today, we're going to talk about meeting new people in English. How to introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and start a friendly conversation.
Yes, this is something we all do in daily life. So we'll practice real English, easy English, and useful English.
Ready to learn? Great! Let's start. Here's a short conversation between two people meeting for the first time. Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Hey, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from India. And you?
I'm from Canada. Do you live around here?
Yes, just near the park.
Okay, that was simple, right? Let's talk about what happened in that short chat.
Yes. When you meet someone new, the first thing we often say is, "Hi, I'm your name. What's your name?"
Let's repeat that together. Hi, I'm Virat. What's your name?
Great. And when someone tells you their name, reply, "Nice to meet you."
Let's practice. Nice to meet you.
Perfect.
Then Emma asked, "Where are you from?" This question asks about country or city.
Exactly. You can answer like, "I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from India."
And if you want to ask the same question back, say, I'm from India. And you?
Good job! These are everyday conversation patterns. Let's listen again, slowly this time. Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from India. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Some useful words from that conversation.
Word 1. Meet. To meet someone means to see someone for the first time. Example, I met my new teacher today.
Word 2. Nice. Friendly or good. Example, you have a nice smile.
Word 3. From. We use it to talk about place or origin. Example, I'm from Canada.
Let's repeat together. Meet, nice, from. Excellent.
Now it's your turn to speak with us.
Question 1. What's your name?
We'll ask a question and you can answer aloud. Don't be shy. Nice to meet you.
Question 2. Where are you from?
That's great.
Question 3. Do you live around here?
Good job. You're doing amazing.
When you meet new people, smile and speak slowly.
Yes, and if you don't understand something, it's okay to say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Can you speak a little slower, please?" Let's review what we learned today. We practiced introducing yourself. Hi, I'm Olivia. Asking names. What's your name? Saying, "Nice to meet you." Asking and answering. Where are you from?
Use these in daily life, at school, work, or online.
And remember, practice makes progress. So try saying these phrases with your friends or family today.
Community question. What's the first thing you say when you meet a new person in English?
Write your answer in the comments below. We'll read some of them in our next episode.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast.
Thank you for listening, everyone. See you next time,
and keep practicing your
your
English.
English.